League, Champions League 2018-19 sticker book. Let's get into it. Hopefully it's in focus. I have to move this. Here we have the packs. There should be another pack in here somewhere. Oh no. And here we have the book, like this. Let's get into the packs. First pack. We've got Diego Perotti, Neymar Jr. Shiny Cat sticker. We've got John Henderson, Shaqiri, Toussaint, Rodriguez. We've got Milik, Harava, Charlov and Buffon. That's the first pack. Second pack. We've got Dzeko, another Neymar again. Real Madrid badge. We've got Pereira there. We've got Barreca, Thomas, Haisaj, Rahimi, and then we've got Mascarell, and we've got Di Maria. I got another Neymar. That is a joke. Third pack. Don't give me another Neymar. I will flip my lid. Oh my god, yes. Yes. We've got Dion Cools, Lionel Messi shiny card. We've got the Tottenham kit sticker. We've got Danny Rose. We've got Thomas Chori. We've got Isco. Got Fernando. We got Grand Sir, Goretzka and Kyle Walker in our pack. Fourth pack now. Fourth pack. We've got Asamoah, Marlos, Dortmund's badge, Fernandez, Geiger, Diagabi, Matuidi, Pogba there. We got Kimmich and Arthur. And we got the last pack. We've got Otamendi. We've got Olympic Lyonnais winners sticker. We've got a Schalke badge. We've got Lucas. We've got flip off, man. We got Wolf. We got Savic. We got Piatov. We got Zeman, another Goretzka, and Dani Alves. They're at the end of the pack opening.